Well, we've come for a pretty big drive out here. Went for a ride north of Varkala. Probably about an hour and a half's drive. We just stopped here at a random beach in a random town. And yeah, it's quite nice out here. The water's a bit rough, but apparently it's always rough, which is why you're not allowed to, or you're not supposed to go swimming here, unfortunately. But yeah, it's quite a nice beach otherwise.
So according to the map, we should have ran out of road a couple of kilometers back that way, but we seem to have somehow got past the gap in the road. I think maybe we went inland and over a little bridge or something. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm sure we'll find our way back. It's been a top day, beautiful place to finish it up. I'll probably head back now and chill out for a bit.
So we just pulled up at a railway crossing again, and find it a bit odd how much India really lacks in caring about safety, yet they shut the boom gates like 5 minutes before the train arrives. Oh, here it comes now. But yeah, you can see even there's still people crossing the tracks. And here it comes up here. And it's flying. Woo! That is travelling. That was flying through. That's great. All right. Okay, so we just dropped off Al's bike back to the bloke's place that we hired it from, and we're just walking along the Esplanade again, going back to the same restaurant because there's a waiter there that we were speaking to last night who says he's got a hookup for us in the next town we're going to visit. He said he's got a mate who's got a guest house, and we want to do like a boat ride in the backwaters there. He said he's got the hookup for that as well. So we'll go and hear what he's got to say about that and make a decision from there. Hello.
Just take it.
Oh, no, I'm fine.
Okay.
Hi.
Yes, nice rooms.
Hello. No, I've got a room, thank you.
Hello, my friend. Have a look at my shop.
G'day. No, I'm good. No, I'm okay. Just going to meet a friend.
Come on.
Hello. Hello.
How about some flip flop I have here?
Nah, I'm fine, thank you. Alright, so we're back at Cafe Italiano, where we were last night. And we're actually in the exact same spot we were last night as well. But you can't go wrong here, mate. Have a look at this view. And this is the spot right here. That's our table there. And this is our man. Our main man is with the hookups. How's it going, bro? Yeah. So we finished up our late lunch slash early dinner at the Italian joint again. Got ourselves a pizza each, but we caught up with our mate Suman, who's given us some props for our next destination, which is Aleppi, I believe it's called. And it's a spot that's about 60 kilometers south of Kochi, which is where we plan on heading to after there. And it has like all these backwaters, like back canals and stuff, which are meant to be absolutely beautiful. So we've organised a bit of a boat trip through those backwaters at some stage, probably tomorrow afternoon while the sun's setting or something. We'll see how we go there. But as for tonight, we're pretty much just going to pack up, get everything ready. We want to get an early start tomorrow. So, yeah.
I have nothing to add. You said it all, man.
So remember, guys, namaste every day. Peace.